Well, hello. I'm making a storyboard journal for 2024. Each page has 6 quick vignette drawings that describe my day. So at the end of the year, I will have 366 storyboard pages and 2,196 vignettes. I use a list system that works really well for me. I start a blank list for 6 items in the morning. Then as I move through my day, I add topics to my list. At the end of the day, I have 6 or more topics that are special to this day. I draw today's storyboard the next day. It doesn't take long to draw the 6 sketches when I have the list ready to go. I like to draw the frame outlines by hand. I like to feel the pen move across the pebbled pages when I draw, and I like the frames loose and imperfect. But you can also use software to make boxes and print out the pages. That's really all you need to know for the technical part. Now just draw. Over time, I've developed this character to represent me, although it's not a close match. For this one, I had the medication that I could look at as I drew. Same for the tea bag, but sometimes I get too hung up on getting the drawing right if I have an example. I always think flowers need color to really see what's being drawn. And in this last one, I just drew from my imagination. So now you know how I make my drawings. The sketches look different every day because it would be boring if I drew the same thing every day. And that means I look for different things to do to make the storyboards more interesting. I hope you will give storyboard journaling a try. I think it's fun.